to today's episode. Thank you for joining me, my friends and those restaurant Alpha Manager. 10 for Spanish. Our mission today is how to deliver internet free more harm than speed. Okay, from positive side. Now, internet is so the most now convenient and world. It is so important for us, such as for look for the knowledge or others. So what is internet? Internet is the internet is network of network according for Wikipedia. What the harm that is something that good or the bad, something harmless. Okay. We talk about this topic just for senior has to education. So that's the internet. So important for us. But here's the thing, many days of why I like that? Because as we know, many right now have the news about immoral because of the internet. So the first, we get from internet the people. You know, if you want to check, if you want to look for something in the internet, you just for knowledge. If you want to look for something about football and others, can you see underneath of that news there is the video porn and others. Okay? I believe we are have the good things, but we will interest to read it because in that video porno put the photo, the girls very sexy. It is interesting to read it. So if you're interested to read it, we into the trade. It's making it we from moral to amoral. So we can take evidence. You know, survey from Council, the Indonesian Child President Commission told next 7% students from senior high school watch porn in Indonesia. So we have to think, could we imagine if the all student high school in Indonesia watching the porn? Where? What do you think? Our nation calm down. Our son calm down. You know, asking about the religion, he just asks for porn and porn. Nothing about the knowledge now. So, an evidence in Jakarta, a student from Jakarta raped the girls. And the girl come to home and report to parents. And parents report to police. To police case that student. And police asking for that student rape the girl. Why you rape the girl? The student answered, because my lines up when I'm watching the porn. Next time she facing in front of me and I was channeling my patient gracefully. So I give you the evidence. Unbelief. So unbelief the internet have many negative. But what I give just now, I'm give you many evidence. So the whole evidence just now is the proof. The internet is too dangerous for students. I hope for you using internet just for something useful. Okay, the second negative from internet. When we using the internet, we will to remiss when we opium the games. You know the games, all of us like the game, but don't opium about games. Okay, because games have the bad impact for us, such as we also like that because the Indonesian Child Protection Commission asked for Communication Commission or delays the whole game about that consent element of feeling. Why? This making our moral from student bad, such as in the Point Blank, Atlantica, and Bully, and etc. In the Bully and the Point Blank, the game that their class for fighter and others, like the Bully. You know? So I'm not talking the game is not good for us, but I'm hoping you for using the game just for happy, not for all time. You all time you play the games. This is making you dreams, stress, and others. So, ladies and gentlemen, I believe what I told just now is so right. If you don't believe, can you look for Wikipedia and others in the internet? Ladies and gentlemen, so what I told just now, the old point, important, the internet is not good for us. Okay, thanks. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now you can see in the television there is that news about sex and others because there's something in news about immoral because internet. You know, internet have many impact for us. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you not listen what I talk or you not believe what I talk, I'm think you're not using or not look the news because very news about immoral this because internet. So if there's something anything not clear, this is one is will continuous with my friends, second speaker Fernandi and my third speaker Zewan. Thanks for me.